Hi everybody, today I continue the sample 2 questions. The first question about our solution. As you see here, how much water or salt, okay, we have to decide should be mixed to the solution of concentration 20% in order to obtain 30 kilogram 25% concentrated solution. The first important thing is that first we check this to concentration. If the concentration increasing, in this situation we have to choose salt. Then I have to choose salt. Then C1 is the salt. M1 I don't know. C2 they give us 20%. M2 I don't know. But I know total concentration is the 25% and M1 plus M2 M total is 30. Now, as you see here, I use the formula C1M1 plus C2M2 equals CTMT, total M and total concentration. I put the number of concentration here, it's 100 M1 plus 20 M2 equal 25% multiplied 30 kilogram. And in this situation, the result will be this 100 M1 plus 20 M2 equal 750. And I know the total mass M1 plus M2 is 30. And I write this formula in the system. And I multiply to minus 20 because I want to cancel these two. Okay, and 750 minus 600 will be 150. If I can find M1 from this formula, it's 15 per 8. It will be equal 1.855. And because total mass is the 30, if I minus this 2 will be second the M of our solution. For the second question, calculate the half-life of this equation. It's very easy. First, as you see here, I write function here. I find the f0 because as you see here, because the equation will be like this. Okay, like this. And here, if you see, it is f0. And f0 I find is very easy. It means x is 0, okay? And I find this point y is the 3e. Half-life, the time need, it become half, okay? Then it will be here, 3e per 2. It means half of this 3e is this number. Okay, now I have to find this t value is t half. Okay, then I write the equation again. I find this, because I put a 0 in instead of x, I found 3e power minus 3 times 0 plus 1, it will be 0. And the plus 1 is 1. And I write formula, instead of x, I put t half-life, or t half. And as you see here, it will be formula change here. I know t half number will be this number. I put here and equal the same equation, okay? And then I can divide both parts for the 3. 3 will be cancel each other. Okay, then from both sides I give ln, and ln e per 2 equal minus 3 t half plus 1. And I want to find t half, I send here t half, and I send ln e per 2 here, it become minus ln e per 2, and then divide all per 3, and will be result of the time of half-life. It will be the number. I can write here, this point of number will be this number. For the third question, he said draw and find the domain of this equation. It's very easy. First, I found the 10 power ln x, because it is from ln x. Ln x is this equation. The first one is ln x. The start comes from here, go here. And the minus ln x will be opposite, because it will be mirror in x-axis. Then I have to plus 2 times go up will be this equation. Domain, if you see the domain, what number we can give? As you see here, we cannot put negative x. Why? Because inside ln must be bigger than 0. Then x must be bigger than 3. Then I go and find every of these 2, it will be 3. If you see, the number will be bigger than 3, it will be domain. Plot the equation function of the 1000 multiplied 10 power minus 3x minus 1 in the logarithmic system. It is a logarithmic system. First, it is, as you see, I have to change equation. 10 power 3 is why instead of 1000, because the base is the same, then base is the same, powers will be add together and will be y equal 10 power minus 3x plus 3 minus 1. And okay, then I gave from both sides logarithm, will be logarithm y minus 3x plus 2. Instead of logarithm, I put z, and will be this equation. Then in the y-axis, I have to logarithm, okay? And in this situation, z will be these numbers, and x is this number, y is this numbers, okay? Then after make a logarithmic in the y-axis, find the plus 2 in the y-axis, or 100, or 10 power 2. Okay, because the slope is minus 3, I go 1 right always, and 3 go down, 1, 2, 3. Then 3 go down because the slope is a minus 3. And then find the second point, and I put a line which pass from this point and will be our answer and the equation. Then the result will be this, but the difference is the y-axis is the logarithmic axis, and it is a question 4. And thank you very much for paying attention, and see you in the next lecture.